In this video we're going to be having a look at one of these Ring doorbell, wired doorbell security devices that you connect to your phone and you can see who's coming to your front door. I bought this one, the basic model. We could do a lot worse, and having a look at the advert that I bought it from, this is on the Argos website. So what we've got on screen, I'm sure this is a basic Ring advert that Argos have copied in. If we go through the pictures, there's the unit itself. Introducing, this is the basic advert for it. That's what it looks like on your front door. That's connected to your phone. That's what you're going to see when the device is installed. That's showing how simple it is to install. We'll see about that in a moment. Right, we've got our nice neat little box. Let's get on with opening it. See what we've got in there. Look how well that's packed in there. Everything's in there. Let's get some things out, see what we've got. I think first off we'll just upend it and see what falls out. There's the main device. There's a special little screw driver on the back there. Into the packaging. We'll be having a look in there. Warranty and terms, a protect plan. I'm not sure that's instructions. It says safety instructions. I think we've got to go online to find the real instructions. And that is more information about how it's made rather than how it works. So I think we've got to go online to do that. But nicely packed. We'll pop those down there. What we got here? Oh look, these are good. I think these are stickers, or these are laminated stickers to put around your front door and your phone in many languages. Got Aufzeichnung von audio video. We've got French, Italian, Spanish. It's all there. I think they're quite good. Finishing off what's in the box. Again, superbly packed. You wouldn't think it all came out of there, would you? Got some sort of screw fixing attachment in there. Again, that'll fix it to your wall or your front door. There's some plugs and screws. And this one looks to be a terminal connector, so let's lay it out a bit neater. All of this came neatly packed in that little box there. I think we can take that protective acetate off. And there's our little device. Look, it fits in your palm of your hand like that, and it's so powerful when connected to your phone. We've got to talk about getting some power to our Ring doorbell. Remember, the one that we've bought, there's no batteries in it, so it needs a power supply. It's a Ring Doorbell Wired. So we're going to need a power adapter or transformer. I found this one on eBay. There's several of them you can buy. It sounds like it's just what we want. A UK power supply, charging adapter for Ring doorbell, transformer charger. All of those things. And it says here we get UK mains down from 230 AC down to about 18 volt AC, which is what our Ring doorbell requires. So we get one of those. Very reasonably priced. This was on eBay, I think including the postage. I got it for about £13. And I bought the cable length of 5 meters because I had a power socket that was close to the door. You can get a 10-meter one, but these are plug-in to your normal 13 amp sockets in the UK. plug in 230 volts down to 18 volts. Other end, you've got some terminals, put it on the Ring doorbell. If you just scan over those photos on there, you can see it's the sort of thing we want. Oh, that's useful. That shows us where the terminals are going to be on the back of the Ring doorbell. Let's have a look at this. This convinces us that this is exactly what we want. There's our power adapter and there's our terminals to be fixed to the back of the Ring doorbell. Exactly what we want. So we've got all our items in the box, and we've now got an adapter, voltage adapter. I'll show you that in a moment. First off, we have to get at the back of our Ring. It says on the instructions, put your fingers underneath it and press on the top bit, press like that, and first things is I'm looking for the terminals. They must be underneath this. This is just a sticker, so I'll take off the sticker, and there they are. There's our two terminals for our adapter. So I bought this adapter, 230 volts AC, 230 volts AC down to 18 volts AC. It's the same as what's required by our Ring doorbell, and we're going to put these terminals on there. I think I'm going to do a test, a trial before I put it on the wall. So I'm going to fix it up now and get the app going on my phone and just check everything works. So screwing this other one in now. I say we're not over tight there. Those two are good enough for now. So we're going to plug that in and see what we get. Meantime, we'll be putting the Ring app on our phone. So here we are on Ring's webpage, installing Ring Video Doorbell Wired. Is my existing doorbell system compatible? All this is good stuff you want to get through. We're not going near this first bit. I don't think we're wiring it up to our existing system. These are the things that you should have in your pack, and those are in those little bags that we've got laid out on the table. Mounting screws, security screws, bypass cables. I don't think we are going to need that. Some stuff about isolating your doorbell chime. Well, I don't think we're using the existing system at all, so we're going to scroll down to, that's back on your chart. We're going to scroll down to here. Remove the faceplate from your Ring Video Doorbell. 4 fingers, grab the bottom of the faceplate and pull while pushing the center, and it pops out. That's how to fit it to the wall, and you've got the roll plugs to fit it to the wall. Connect the doorbell wires from your transformer adapter. All of this is good stuff. Screw in the Ring Video Doorbell using hardware in bag A. That's the screws and the plugs. That's secure your Ring Video Doorbell using those special screws and that blue special screwdriver that we got in the pack. So that's all on the website. I'd preferred it was printed on a sheet of paper in the box, but it's not. So look on the website, there it all is. I think that's pretty good. So we're going to get the app on our phone now. So we're going to go into the App Store and we search for Ring, and immediately Ring Doorbell comes up. So let's click Ring Doorbell and see what it offers us. Ring Always Home Utilities, that's the one that we want. So I've signed in with my Apple ID, and the program's loading on my iPhone here. Then when it's fully downloaded, we can press open on the phone. I recommend that you select allow notifications. You're going to need to do it sometime. It's asking us to create an account, so this is the first time I've loaded it, so we're going to have to create an account, which is what we've joined for. So I'll put all my particulars in now, and we'll get back when we're working. Once you've put in all your details and your password and stuff, they'll send you an email to verify the account, and then we'll be able to use it. There's the bit verify now. I always click the manage cookies one because I need the essential ones, but I don't like the others. So let's go ahead and log in. It's asking me to put my stuff in, then we should be on board. Again, that's my login, so I'll show you in a moment or two. With a bit of luck, we've got access to all the features, and that's what we want. Brilliant. So just for a test run, we've got our power adapter, 230 volts down to 18 volts AC. Plug it in and see if it comes alive. Look at that blue light.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in the Ring app.
We'll do what the lady says. So we're going to try and do this in real time. We've got our app open on our phone, we've got our device. Let's do what it says, set up a device. So let's press the button, set the device. Doorbells. Ring would like to access the camera. We better do that, otherwise we'll get nowhere. Scan the code on your Ring product. So let's have a go at that. Allow Ring to use your location. Allow once. We'll do that. So we're just going to put in our address here.
Yeah.
So we got our address in. Next picture is give your Ring doorbell a name. Front door we'll call it. Has your Ring doorbell been installed? No, I need to install it. I think you may need to hire a qualified electrician. We've got one coming to drill through the walls. Does your home have a wired doorbell? I have a wired doorbell. I don't have a wired doorbell. How do you plan to power your plug-in adapter? Choose location. Run the cable through the wall. Yes, we're going to do that. Mark the screw holes. Yes, we're going to do that. I'll show you all that in a sec. Drilling through either the front door or the wall around it will get the power to our hard surface. So we're drilling, we will be drilling, and we got the wires. We're going to attach those from the adapter, connect the wires, screw in the doorbell.
It's quite good, isn't it? They literally tell you every little thing to do, like if you were doing it yourself.
Every little thing. Install the face fit, click that back on, I'll show you how we do that. Plug in the power adapter and switch on. So that's our house hub, and we're not going to show you the passwords for that, so we'll do that and get back to you. So once we've put in our passwords to our local hub, we're now waiting. I think that's probably done it. We're waiting for the whole thing to connect to the local Wi-Fi in the kitchen.
Setup successful.
So we've tested our Ring doorbell and we think we got it all installed so far. We've got to pair it with a speaker, but I think it's got its own little speaker in here. I think it will make a noise if we press the button, so let's press the button. Well, already just in our test zone, which is the kitchen, we've got our Ring on the wall, and I've set it on live settings, and there's a picture of me in the kitchen. That's live, so we're getting somewhere. So we've drilled through the wall, and we've got the wires going nicely, and that's just going to go there now, and then we'll put the cap on it. This just clips onto there. Good push home. So it's already screwed to the wall, and now we've got that grub screw down the bottom there that we've got to screw in with the special blue screwdriver supplied by Ring. And then it's simple as that. Nice neat fitting, look at that. So now we've got our Ring doorbell. It's protecting, does motion detection, and obviously it's a doorbell, so if we press the button, let's see where it rings. So it's got a bell inside itself, but if we go inside, it rings on the phone, and it will also give us a video of who's at the door. In this case it was me with the camera.
Someone is at the front door.
And it rings on the Alexa as well, so we've got it set up to ring on the phone or on the Alexa. Says somebody is at the front door. Motion detection works in the same sort of way with a different sound, but detecting motion on your drive, giving you a bit of protection around the house. I'll just do some motion. And the mobile Ring program on your phone has detected some motion out there. Got a live view there. If we go back to history, so person detected the motion there. We can scroll through that video and we see it was just me waving my hand in front of the camera, so that's the test. But it'll pick up any motion on that drive there. So you'll be able to see what's going on wherever you are in the world, as long as you've got an internet signal. You've got your motion detection, you've got your doorbell, you'll be able to see who's here, and it'll also sound on your smart speaker inside the house if somebody's pressing the doorbell. It's all very good.